Good afternoon, children. As I told you, you have to off your mic. Otherwise, in between when you are talking, when we are taking the class, some sounds will be make us to disturb. Okay. So better before starting the class, you have to only the video you have to on and your mic should be off. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You know that 5 minutes I will give you. Last 5 minutes I will give you to clear your doubts, the things. Okay. So as we completed our third lesson and all the meanings, question, answer, everything I have gave you, and today we are going to start our new lesson. The new lesson is there, lesson number 4, Mantra Tantra. Lesson 4, और पाठ का नाम है मंत्र तंत्र. Okay, lesson 4, mantra tantra. Mantra tantra means what? Any idea? Mantra tantra means magic. Here magic means mantra tantra, but here the magic, that word when they use the mantra and tantra, that is black magic. But nothing happened in this story, but the name is given like that, mantra tantra. Okay, so this story is one of the small village, some people they are doing the hard work and all the things, and there some people they don't like, because some people they are doing the hard work and earning the money and they are very happy for that, but some of the people they don't like, and they are saying that these people, those who are happy in their life, that people they are very happy. The reason they are saying they are doing the black magic, because of that only the people are very happy for that. Okay, but it is not like that. We will see that what is there in that story. The story is starting in the small village. एक छोटा सा गांव है जहाँ पे कुछ लोग means 30 people, only the 30 people, small village is there. In all the people they are sitting together and they are talking and chatting, but they know that 30 people's house is there, but together if they want to gather together, they want to sit and talk, no place was there. So they found one place and there they will clean, and all the people they will meet there and they will sit together and they will chat there. Like that they started doing the hard working together. The 30 people together they will do the hard working. In among them one people was there, that is Kumar. He is the head of that group. So he is very hard working man, and he will do all the works. So because of that only other all people they join together and they are doing the hard working. But in that same village, Mukhya means head of that village, Mukhya, Panchayat, one president will be there, the main person, Mukhya, head of that village. That person he don't like, because they are doing the hard work. They are doing the hard work and they are earning the money, and whenever the help needed, they will do together. So that he don't like. Because of that only he will complain to king, and he will say these people are very bad people, they will drink and they will fight, and this all the things they will do, and without saying anything he will complain to king, and what king will do, he will say okay they are doing like this, so he also will plan to give them punish. So when he is giving the punishment, that time how he is giving the punishment, he is calling some of the elephant and he is saying that I will crush them, the feet of elephants, and I will crush them, and I want to kill them. The king is saying like that. But when the elephant is coming near to that person, those who are there, he is not doing anything, just he is moving back. Again, so the morning to evening many elephants will come, but all are doing the same. They will just make the noise and they will trumpet and everything they will do, but they will not kill that person. So what will happen? So that person who is the head of that village, he will say no, they have some magic or something, black magic. Because of that only the elephant they are coming and they are not killing. Okay, so we'll see that. So how, what is going to happen there, whether they are getting the punishment or not. Okay, so all of you take the lesson 4 Mantra Tantra, page number 32. Okay, lesson 4 Mantra Tantra. एक छोटा सा गांव था, उसमें केवल 30 गृहस्थों के घर थे. There was a small village. उसमें केवल 30 गृहस्थों के घर थे. 30 means what? 30 means what? 30. 30 गृहस्थों. गृहस्थों means householders. गृहस्थों means householders, means only the 30 people they are living in that village. एक दिन 30 गृहस्वामियों को एक जगह मिलना था. One day they have decided, what they have decided? One place they want to meet together. एक दिन 30 गृहस्वामियों को एक जगह मिलना था. They want to, the 30 householders, they want to meet in one place. पूरे गांव में ऐसी कोई जगह नहीं थी जहां वे इकट्ठे हो सके. In the whole village, no place was there. They can meet together and they can gather. No place was there. बैठकर आराम से एक दूसरे से आवश्यक बातचीत कर सके. So the place was not there because they want to sit together and they want to talk with each other, but no place is there. Okay. गांव की सीमा पर कुछ खाली जमीन था. गांव की सीमा पर कुछ खाली जमीन था. गांव का सीमा means there was some vacant land near the border. खाली जमीन. सीमा means border. सीमा means border. गांव की सीमा पर कुछ खाली जमीन थी. There was some vacant land on the village border. ऊबड़ खाबड़ और धूल मिट्टी से भरी. ऊबड़ खाबड़ means rugged, rough and rugged, means not label, it is the up and down like that. Full of dust and mud was there. धूल मिट्टी से भरी. ऊबड़ खाबड़ means rugged. Okay. और धूल मिट्टी से भरी हुई, dust with the mud, it is all full of the mud is there in that place. उन गृहस्वामियों में से एक कुमार एक दिन वहां आया. In that 30 householders is there. I already told you, in that, among that one person, his name is Kumar. He came there. Where? In that place. The vacant land is there. There he reached. उसने कुछ स्थान साफ किया. He cleaned some of the place. तभी वहाँ एक और आदमी आ गया. The same time one more person reached there. कुमार ने उसके लिए भी स्थान साफ कर दिया. So Kumar, what he did? First he cleaned some place, and when the person who came, for him also he cleaned some of the place. 2-4 और लोग आ गए. Again what happened? They first Kumar came, then one person came. Again 2 or 4 person they reached there. वे भी कुमार के साथ लग गए. They all together they started cleaning. थोड़ी देर में ही वहाँ 30 आदमियों के खड़े होने की साफ सुथरी जगह बन गई. So what happened? 1 person, 2 person, 3 or 4 person. So like that slowly all came together. So what happened when all together they are cleaning? What happened? The space, it is clean. When all are doing together any work, what will happen? It will be the good effect, right? So here also what happened? When first Kumar came, then one more person came, Kumar cleaned for that person, then 3 or 4 person again they came, so they also then started. So that place is fully clean. थोड़ी देर में ही वहाँ 30 आदमियों के खड़े होने की साफ सुथरी जगह बन गई. साफ सुथरी means what? Neat and clean. साफ सुथरी means neat and clean place. जगह बन गई. बातों बातों में कुमार ने कहा, while talking Kumar is saying to other people, क्यों ना हम यहाँ चबूतरा बना दे. So he is saying, why do not we make here one stage? He is asking. बैठकर बातचीत करने में सुविधा हो जाएगी. So there will be the facility to sit and talk. सुविधा means facility. Okay. बैठकर बातचीत करने में सुविधा हो जाएगी. While talking, when we are sitting here, so there will be some place already they have cleaned that place. So now chabutra, chabutra means stage, chabutra means stage. They want to make one small stage where they can sit and talk. तुरंत सभी ने हामी भर दी. So what तुरंत, immediately everyone say yes, we will make that one. और ईंट पत्थर इकट्ठे हो गए. So what happened? They started collecting the what? Eat pathar. Eat means what? Bricks, and pathar means stone. They started collecting the bricks and stones. Ikatte, ikatte means collect, collecting. Okay. So तुरंत सभी ने हामी भरी और ईंट पत्थर इकट्ठे हो गए. सब प्रतिदिन मिलकर बहुत परिश्रम करते थे. So everyone, every day they will do the hard working. कुछ दिनों के उद्यान से चबूतरा तैयार हो गया. कुछ दिनों के उद्याम, उद्याम इज पर्यायवाची वर्ड ऑफ परिश्रम. परिश्रम का पर्यायवाची शब्द क्या है? उद्याम. ओके, उद्याम मीन्स हार्ड वर्किंग. कुछ दिनों के उद्याम से चबूतरा तैयार हो गया. तो some days they have started working together. All the 30 people, they started working together. So what happened? They made one stage. धीरे धीरे एक कमरा भी बन गया. Slowly what they did, they make one small room also. जल और चटाइयों का भी प्रबंध हो गया. जल means water, चटाई means what? चटाइयों, mats, mat, चटाइयों, it is plural form में given there. Okay, चटाइयों, चटाइयों means mats. So they already they what they made, first they made the stage, then afterwards they made the one small room there they can sit and talk. So they bring the water, they want to drink something, so they bring the water, and mats is there. If they want to rest they can use that mats. अब गांव के लोग आमोद प्रमोद के लिए वहां आने लगे. अब गांव के लोग means other people also, in that 30 people's family member will be there. So they all started there, they started coming there. For what? आमोद प्रमोद के लिए वहां आने लगे. आमोद प्रमोद means what? Happiness. They start their enjoyment. आमोद pramod means enjoyment. They want to relax there, they want to sit there. They started, all the people started there, all the people started coming there. Okay. परिश्रम भी एक अच्छी आदत होती है. So hard working is always good habit, that you know that, because in the student life you should be hard work. You have to do the hard work, then only you can success in your life. Any person, those who are doing the hard work, you have seen that they will fail in their life? No, they will never fail in their life. Those who are doing the hard work, they will all the time they will success in their life. So students life, in the now what is the time is going on, that time you have to do the hard work. What is your duty? You have to study well and you have to get the good mark. You have to listen your parents, what all things they are saying. You have to listen your teachers, those who are elder than you. If they are giving some suggestion or something they are saying, so you have to listen them. And all the time if they are giving some work to do, that one you have to do with hard work. Then only you will be success in your life. Okay. So परिश्रम भी एक अच्छी आदत होती है. The hard working is also good habit. ग्रामवासियों को परिश्रम की ऐसी आदत पड़ी कि वे आवश्यकता पड़ते ही सड़क बना देते. So गाँव वासियों को means those who are living in that village, villager, they all are what? They have the habit. Before they are slowly they have started, but that they become, that one is the part of their life. They are all the time they will do the hard work. So that habit they have. So what happened? आदत पड़ी कि वे आवश्यकता पड़ते ही सड़क बना देते. If where it is needed, आवश्यकता means need, पड़ते ही सड़क बना देते. They will make the road. पुल बना देते. They will make the bridge. तालाब खोद देते. Dig the pond where it is needed. कुएं साफ कर देते. Clean the well. They will clean the well and all the things. और इन सब का परिणाम यह हुआ कि गांव में खुशहाली आ गई. So what happened? This आवश्यकता पड़ने पर सड़क बना देते, पुल बना देते, तालाब खोद देते, कुएं साफ कर देते, और इन सब का परिणाम यह हुआ कि गांव में खुशहाली आ गई. सो व्हेन दे आर डूइंग दिस ऑल द वर्क, सो व्हाट हैपन इन द विलेज? खुशहाली. खुशहाली मीन्स happiness. Khushahali means happiness. Okay. So खुशहाली. So already when they are doing together hard working, what happened in the village? Happiness came. So everyone is very happy because that 30%, what they will do all together, they will do the hard work, and whenever it is needed, wherever or where it is needed, there they will reach. If what all things they want to do, they can do, like making the road, digging the pond, पुल बना देते, bridge, they will make the bridge, small bridge. You have seen that गाँव में, in the village, the small, not the big bridge, the small bridge, the small canal will be there, from there they have to cross. So like the small pull they will make, the bridge they will make, and गाँव में तालाब खोल देते क्योंकि they need the water. So how they will, so they will make the small pond and कुएं साफ कर देते. So once or 2 years we have to clean our well. So that also all the works they will do. So what is the result? The result came that everyone is very happy in that village. उस गांव का मुखिया, मुखिया means what? The head of that village, that man, मुखिया. इन सब बातों से बहुत अप्रसन्न था. He was not at all happy. What these persons are doing, he is not at all happy. He was not at all happy. He is all the time, he will say why these people are doing the hard work, because he is the person who will give some money, and that money, when he is giving that money, so that interest, he will take the more interest. Okay, the black money he is getting from that people. So now what happened? The people have stopped asking the money from that mukhya. So because of that only, what money he was getting from this villager, that income was stopped. So he was upset and he was very angry for that. Why these people are doing like that? So उस गांव का मुखिया इन सब बातों से बहुत अप्रसन्न था. वह बार बार गांव वालों के काम में अड़ंगा लगाता मीन्स व्हाट? डिस्टर्बेंस. अड़ंगा लगाना, दैट इज मुहावरे ओनली. अंडरलाइन दैट सेंटेंस, अड़ंगा लगाता. वह बार बार गांव वालों के काम में अड़ंगा लगाता. अंडरलाइन दैट वर्ड, अड़ंगा लगाता. अड़ंगा लगाता इज द मुहावरे. Okay, मुहावरे मीन मुश्किल खड़ी करना. The meaning is that मुश्किल, all the time he will make the disturbance in their life and villages, their life. कोई अकेला मिलता तो समझाता कि क्यों कुमार की बातों में अपना समय नष्ट कर रहे हो. So whenever he meets any people alone, not with the Kumar alone, so what he will say, why you people are why you people are doing the friendship with that Kumar? He is not a good people. Why you are wasting your time? Just no need to waste your time. अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो. He is saying that why you are wasting your time with Kumar? वास्तव में लोगों ने, what is the actual reason? वास्तव में actually लोगों ने बुरे काम करने बंद कर दिए थे. Actually what happened? All the people, they stopped doing the bad work because already they have that habit. They started, but they started doing the hard work. So automatic, when we will do the hard work, our bad habits will go. So here also the same is happened. What happened? वास्तव में लोगों में बुरे काम करने बंद कर दिए थे. So all the people, they stopped doing the bad work. इससे मुखिया की जुर्माने की आमदनी बंद हो गई थी. जुर्माने means what? Fine, penalty means when he is giving some money, if the same time, you know that village now also is happening in the some of the places, the same thing. What happened? Those people are head of that place, or those people are rich person, what they will give the some money to poor people and some interest they will ask, and they will give one time. In that time period they have to give, otherwise what they will do? They will make it double. Or so what happened? What money they are making the double, that is the black money only, not the good money, because the interest, what interest they have given, so that interest money he is collecting from there. So what happened? That people started hard working, so they are not going to mukhya to ask some money, because if they will do the hard work, they are earning the money. If they do some work, so they will get the money. So they stop going to mukhya. Or what happened in mukhya's life? What happened? That fine money, that fine jurmane ki amdani, that fine income, what he is getting from villager, that is stopped. Because of that only he was saying to people, why you are going with Kumar, no need to go with that person, he is not at all good person. Like that he is making the people to listen his talk, not to Kumar's. उसने कुछ सोचा, he thought something, और राजा के पास शिकायत कर दी. शिकायत means what? Complain. शिकायत means complain. He thought something and he went to the king and he complained. What he complained, we'll look here what he complained. शिकायत कर दी कि गांव के सभी लोग चोर हैं. What he said? He was saying that village every people are thieves. चोर means thieves. नशा करते हैं, they all people are drinking. जुआ खेलते हैं. Now he what जुआ खेलना means playing the gambling or cards. You know that one. So he started saying like that. उपद्रव करते हैं, they will make the disturbance to others. और मार पीट के बिना तो कोई बात ही नहीं करते हैं. तो he was saying without fighting they will not talk. This all the rubbish things means it is not happening in their life. That village's life, it is not happening. They are very happy, they are doing the hard work and all the things they are doing. But he is saying that in the village people, what they are doing? They are cheating the person, they are thieves, they are drinking, they are playing the cards and they are disturbing to others. He is saying like that. और मारपीट के बिना तो बात ही नहीं करते. Without fighting they will not talk. Who is saying this all the things? मुखिया is saying. इससे गांव में उत्पात मचा हुआ है. Because of that only what happened? Everywhere is disturbance. People are not at all happy. He is saying, मुखिया is saying. शीघ्र ही कुछ प्रबंध ना किया गया तो गांव के भले आदमियों का रहना दुभर हो जाएगा. So what he is saying? If you will not do any management or any arrangement, so what will happen? The other people, those who are living in that village, it is very difficult to live. This all the things he is saying to the king, but he is saying the lies only to the king, because king don't know. He is going and complaining about this all the things, Kumar and his friends. So Raja, what he is saying, we'll see here. राजा की आज्ञा से मुखिया सबको बांधकर राजा के सामने ले गया. So that king, after listening Mukhiya's talk, what he said about, what he complained about Kumar and his friend, so the king thought that maybe the Mukhiya, he is saying the truth only, or what he is saying to Mukhiya, just you tie them and just you bring them. बांधना means tie. बांधकर राजा के सामने ले गया. Already king told, just bring them. He gave the order, just you bring them. So what he did, Mukhiya, just he tie them and he bring to the palace in front of the king. राजा ने कुछ ना पूछा. He did not ask anything. King, without asking anything, ना सुना. He did not listen anything and did not ask anything. बस कह दिया. He said, हाथी के पैरों से कुचल कर इन्हें मार डालो. हाथी के पैरों से, crush with elephant feet and kill them. Who is saying? King is saying, without listening anything, whether Kumar, his friend, what they are doing, whether they are doing the bad things. No, nothing he heard, and just he said that crush with elephant feet. कुचल कर, कुचलना means what? Crush. हाथी के पैरों से कुचल कर मार डालो. Kill them. Just turn the page. राजा राजमहल के बाहर मैदान में उन्हें लेटा दिया. Outside of the palace, one field is there. Just he made them to lay down. Their hand and this one is tie only. Okay, सभी के हाथ पैर बंधे हुए थे. बंधे means tied. Already their hands and legs both are tying with the rope. कुमार ने सबको समझाया. कुमार, he is the person, that 30% में एक person है कुमार. So he made them to understand. What he said, चुपचाप लेटे रहना. He was saying quietly, all of you keep quiet and just lay down. हाथी को प्यार से देखना. With the love you see that elephant. राजा पर क्रोध ना करना. He was saying no need to angry with the king. कोई कुविचार मन में ना लाना. He was saying don't think any bad thoughts. कुविचार means what? Bad thoughts. सबने ठीक वैसा ही किया. Everyone, what Kumar said, everyone listened and they did the same. राजा के महावतों ने हाथी छोड़ दिया. महावतों means what? Mahavat means who will look the elephant. That person will call Mahavat. राजा के महावतों ने हाथी छोड़ दिया. They just leave the elephant. हाथी उन लोगों के पास पहुंचकर चिंघाड़ता हुआ लौट गया. हाथी, elephant, he reached there. चिंघाड़ना, चिंघाड़ना means क्या? चिंघाड़ना means what is the meaning of चिंघाड़ना? चिंघाड़ता हुआ लौट गया. चिंघाड़ता means to trumpet. When the elephant he will make the noise, that noise we will say trumpet. Okay. हाथी उन लोगों के पास पहुंचकर चिंघाड़ता हुआ लौट गया. He was making the noise and he coming back. दूसरा हाथी मंगवाया गया. The other elephant they call. वह भी आगे ना बढ़ा. He also did not reach there. तीसरा, चौथा और बारी बारी से कई हाथी बुलाए गए. So when the second elephant came, third and fourth, like that many elephant they call, then what happened? They are coming and they are moving back. सुबह से शाम हो गई. सुबह से शाम हो गई. It's the morning to evening. पर हाथियों ने किसी को नहीं कुचला. But they didn't crush anyone. राजा ने कहा, then the king is saying, जान पड़ता है इनके हाथ में कोई दवा है जिसके कारण हाथी उनके पास नहीं जा रहे हैं. So the king is saying that they have anything in any medicine in their hand. Because of that only the elephant they are not reaching there and they are going back. ढूंढने पर उनके पास कुछ ना मिला. When they search, ढूंढना means searching. ढूंढने पर उनके पास कुछ ना मिला. When they search, nothing they got in their hand. So the king is saying, what he is saying? अब राजा ने कहा, now the king is saying, ये अवश्य कोई तंत्र मंत्र जानते हैं. He was saying that this person they know the black magic. तंत्र मंत्र means black magic. उन्होंने खुद ही पूछा तो कुमार ने उत्तर दिया. Now what happened? The king is asking to कुमार. उन्होंने खुद ही पूछा तो कुमार ने उत्तर दिया. So the Raja, now he is getting angry also and eagerness also. Why the elephant is reaching there but they are not crushing? So if he want to know, the king want to know what is there in their hand, because of that only the elephant they are not killing them. So now he is asking to Kumar and the Kumar is giving their answer. कुमार ने उत्तर दिया, महाराज हम कोई मंत्र तंत्र नहीं जानते हैं. So that person Kumar he is saying we don't know any black magic. हम सब साधारण गृहस्थ है. We are very normal people, normal householder. परिश्रम करके अपने परिवारों का पालन करते हैं. परिश्रम करके अपने अपने परिवारों का पालन करते हैं. Means we are look after our family. How we are doing the hard work. हम सभी जीवों से प्यार करते हैं. We love all the creatures. जीव हिंसा नहीं करते हैं. We will not kill any animals. दूसरों की चीज़ें नहीं लेते हैं. We are not taking others things. झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. We are not saying lies. नशा नहीं करते हैं. We are not drinking. सबको मित्र मानते हैं. Everyone we are saying this is our friend. और सबको अपना मित्र मानते हैं. All are our friends. सबकी मदद करते हैं. Where everyone we will do the help where they need everyone. We are going together and we are helping to everyone. गांव की आवश्यकता अनुसार means where it is needed. In the village where it is needed. यथाशक्ति what we have, the power what we have. तालाब और कुएं खोद देते हैं. We will dig the pond and well. घर और सड़क बना देते हैं. The people those who need the house we will make the house and we will give them. And सड़क बना देते, we will make the road. Maharaj, this all the things who is saying? Kumar is saying to king. Then again he is saying, Maharaj, यदि हम लोग कोई मंत्र जानते तो यही. So he is saying that if we know any magic, so this is our magic. मेरे साथियों ने गांव का कायाकल्प कर दिया है. मेरे साथियों ने गांव का कायाकल्प कर दिया है. कायाकल्प, कायाकल्प कर दिया. That also you can underline. That also is the मुहावरे. That sentence also you have to underline. मेरे साथियों ने गांव का कायाकल्प कर दिया है. कायाकल्प means change, बिल्कुल बदल दिया है. We change. My friends, they have changed the village, because the village before it was not like that, because before the people are not doing hard working and they will be the lazy and they are going here and there, but Kumar, he just direct them, and all the people there, they started doing the hard work, and because of that only what happened, Kayakalp, they have changed the village. मुखिया जी अप्रसन्न है. The Kumar is saying to king, मुखिया जी अप्रसन्न है क्योंकि बुरे कामों से उन्हें जो आय होती थी वह बंद हो गई है. So Kumar is saying that head of that village, Mukhya, he is very upset. What is the reason? Because the bad work, the people, those who are doing the bad things, from there he was getting the income, amdani. Now what happened? That is stopped. So because of that only, that Mukhya, he is not at all happy. राजा ने गांव के विकास की बात सुनी तो मुखिया से पूछताछ की. When he listened this all the things, vikas, progress, vikas means progress, this all the progress is happening in that village, so he asked to मुखिया. राजा ने गांव के विकास की बात सुनी तो मुखिया से पूछताछ की. पूछताछ मीन्स इंक्वायरी. पूछताछ मीन्स इंक्वायरी. So he inquired, he asked to मुखिया, what Kumar is saying, this is true. उसे दोषी पाया गया और दंड दिया. उसे दोषी पाया मीन्स he did the wrong things. दोषी पाया गया, he fault is there in that मुखिया. So what happened? The king, he gave the punishment. दंड दिया. दंड दिया means punishment. अपने अनुचित व्यवहार के लिए राजा ने कुमार और उसके साथियों से क्षमा मांगी. What he did, what behavior he did with the Kumar and his friend, the king, he asked forgiveness to everyone. He asked the forgiveness, what I have did without listening anything, I gave the punishment to all, so I am asking forgiveness. So because of that only he asked Kumar and his friend forgiveness. और कुमार को गांव का प्रबंधक नियुक्त किया. So what he made the head of that village, whom कुमार को नियुक्त किया. He appoint, नियुक्त किया. नियुक्त means appoint. He appoint to Kumar head of that village. तथा एक हाथी सम्मान पूर्वक भेंट किया. With the respect, सम्मान पूर्वक means the with the respect, he gave one elephant to Kumar. Okay, so in the what happened, when before the Raja, without listening anything, he just said that kill them. But after listening the Kumar's talk, what he said, he that found that Mukhya is saying the wrong thing, and he gave the punishment to Mukhya, and he made the Kumar head of that village. प्रबंधक, मैनेजमेंट करने के लिए, मैनेज करने के लिए उसे मैनेजर बना दिया. ओके, उस गांव का प्रबंधक, मैनेजर बना दिया उसको. और क्या किया? भेंट में, भेंट मीन्स द गिफ्ट. भेंट मीन्स गिफ्ट. As a gift he gave one elephant, because in the village anywhere if they need the to take the heavy things, so they need the elephant or the heavy things. So because of that only he gave the elephant as a gift to Kumar. So like that, what happened? I hope that story you have understand. That is very small story and it is very easy to understand, right? So what happened? Because when they are doing the hard working, in their life happiness is coming, right? Happiness, that is the true only. When we will do the hard work in our life, automatic the happiness will reach. It will come. We will very happy to do this all the things. Okay, so here also the same thing is happening. So I hope you have understand this lesson, and what you have to do, you have to read this lesson. You have to read this lesson. It is compulsory, because when you are while reading only you will get the story, what is that in this story. Okay, some of the meaning we will see that, and now we will see the some of the meanings already you know that Hindi meaning already it is given here, Sabdarth, Hindi and English meaning both is given. So, you have to, the Hindi meaning you have to study from the textbook itself. Okay, Hindi meaning you have to study the textbook itself, and the English meaning, that one I will tell you now. So, you can say, you can take the page number 32, the first onwards we will see that, and some of the meanings already it is given here. Okay, you can see here. The first line itself you can say Grihasto. Grihasto means householders, head of the family, anyone. Okay, that one no need to underline. After that line, second line, first paragraph, second line you can see here. जहाँ वे इकट्ठे हो सके, इकट्ठे means underline that word इकट्ठे and write that word. इकट्ठे, you can write here in the textbook itself. इकट्ठे means gather. Okay, इकट्ठे means gather. Then next word you can see that here, साफ सुथरी. साफ सुथरी means neat and clean. Saaf suthri means neat and clean. It is in the second paragraph, last word is there. वहाँ 30 आदमियों के खड़े होने की साफ सुथरी जगह बन गई. You can see there, साफ सुथरी. साफ सुथरी means neat and clean. The next one you can see the third paragraph. Third paragraph, second line. सुविधा, facility. Suvidha, facility. And the fourth one, in the fourth one you can see eat patthar. I think you know that one, eat patthar, or if you want you can write there, but no need to write in the notebook. Eat patthar. Eat patthar means bricks and stone. Bricks and stone. Okay. The next you can see the page number 33. Page number 33. You know the chatai. Chatai means what? Mat. Chatai. Chatai means mat. Okay. Amod, Pramod. Next word in the same line. The first paragraph, 33. I am saying the 33. First paragraph. You can see here the first paragraph, second line you can say जल और चटाइयों का प्रबंध कर दिया. चटाइयों, it is given the plural form. I have written in the singular, चटाई. Okay. So next one you can see that the same line, आमोद प्रमोद. आमोद प्रमोद means enjoyment. आमोद प्रमोद. आमोद प्रमोद. आमोद प्रमोद means enjoyment. Okay. The next you can see the next paragraph. The second paragraph you can see the last line. Khushhali. Khushhali means happiness. Khushhali. Khushhali means happiness. Okay. Khushhali, happiness. And the same only you can see that third paragraph, page number 33, third paragraph, Jurmane. Seventh one is Jurmane. Jurmane means fine. Jurmane means fine or penalty. Okay. Next word, Jurmane ke baad, next you can see the eighth one, Amdani. Amdani means income. Amdani means income. Okay. So, Updrav, that is already given there. Updrav means disturbance, and Dubhar, in the same paragraph I am reading, the last line I am reading, Dubhar, difficulty, it is already given there in the Hindi meaning. So, in the same you can see the last line. In the same page you can see the last line, the last paragraph, the last line you can see that Kuchal kar. Kuchalna. Kuchalna means crushing. Crush, हाथी के पैरों से kuchalkar maar dala, crushing. Okay. And the next one you can see the 10th one, chinghadta. Chinghadta means to trumpet. Chinghadta, to trumpet. Chinghadta. Okay. Mantra Tantra, already I told you, black magic. The lesson's name only is the Mantra Tantra. So, that is black magic. Okay. Then afterwards you can see in the last paragraph, Samman Purvak. Samman Purvak means with the respect. With the respect. Kaya Kalp. The 11th one you can write here. Kaya Kalp. Kaya Kalp means completely changing. Kaya Kalp, changing, completely changing. Okay. So, this 11 word is there. This one you have to write in your notebook. First you have, now you have to underline in your textbook itself. Okay. So, I will send the notes, that one you have to copy in your notebook. I will send through the WhatsApp that this meanings, English meaning I will say, I have written here only the Hindi. So, this one you have to underline your textbook, and when I am sending the notes, that one you have to write in your Hindi notebook. And once again I want to remind you that this Thursday you have TP, right, the last lesson what we have completed already I have told you, and that what I told you in the last lesson, I told you question answer, Maukhik question answer, right. So, that Maukhik you have to study, and Thursday you have to be ready for the test paper. And this lesson what you have to do, the homework is there, this lesson you have to read, and this meaning what I have given you, that meaning you have to copy down your textbook itself. When I am sending the notes, that time you can write in your notebook. Okay children. So, I gave you the grammar homework also. Yes or no, grammar, Vyakaran Vatika, that homework I have given you, that homework already I have sent that answer. In the next class, we will see the grammar portion also. Okay. So, today's class I am going to wind up. Before winding, just if anyone have any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, so you have no doubt. So, thank you children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.